Saan?
Check. Sound check. Good morning. Magandang umaga to everybody here in the Mega Trade Halls. Hi, Zayjan. Pakibigyan naman ng mic si Zayjan. Okay, nahihiya naman kami at ikaw pang nagbukas ng programa namin. Dapat kami. Dapat wini-welcome ka namin. So, welcome sa iyo ulit. Pang-ilang toy-cut mo na ba ito? To invite you to go to all of our 180 dealers booths over at the Mega Trade Hall 1 and 2. And also visit our various exhibits. We've got beautiful exhibits lined up. The first and foremost one, our main highlight is of course the Dark Knight Rises booth, right in the middle of the hall. That is where you will see the actual costume worn by Christian Bale in the Dark Knight movie. And it is on exhibit at the Warner Brothers booth. And if you want to check out
in Lego City, the airport is always busy. Hey! You can build a huge plane for all the passengers. You can